Today we are starting with one more concept, that is reported speech. When we हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया था फ्रॉम वर्ब्स, राइट, टेंसेस से वी मूव टू एक्टिव एंड पैसिव. That was the second concept we had done. Now the third concept, because it is all related to tenses, verbs, so I'm taking up the same thing, that is reported speech. In general, we have two kinds of sentences, right? For example, let us take one example. Suyash said, I am hungry. Ab, in this, what is the सेंटेंस का क्या मीनिंग है? दैट सुयश की ही भाषा में यहां बोला जा रहा है, आई एम हंग्री. दैट मीन्स वी हैव पुट अ कॉमा, वी हैव पुट द कोटेशन मार्क्स, एंड दिस शोज दिस इज हिज लैंग्वेज. सुयश सेड. बट नाउ इफ यू हैव टू रिपोर्ट इट, अगर आपको जाकर ये बात किसी और को बतानी है, से यू वांट टू से कि अपनी मम्मी को बताना, मम्मा सुयश कह रहा उसे भूख लगी है. नाउ इन हिंदी वी सेड सुयश कह रहा उसे भूख लगी है. सुयश कह रहा मुझे भूख लग रही नहीं, सुयश को भूख लग रही है, राइट? तो द सेम सेंटेंस इट वुड टर्न एज सुयश सेड दैट. अब सुयश को भूख लगी है, उसे तो सुयश इज अ बॉय, तो ही वॉज हंग्री. तो द वन विच वी रोट इन द फर्स्ट इज अ डायरेक्ट सेंटेंस, जहां हमने जो बोल रहा है उसी की लैंग्वेज में लिखा है. वी हैव रिटन इट इन द सेम लैंग्वेज. Whereas in the second one, when we are reporting it, so that becomes indirect. तो ये जो direct to indirect change होता है, this is what we call as reported speech. How we change these sentences, what are the structures or formula, that is called as reported speech. तो वी हैव डिफरेंट काइंड्स. अभी हम लोगों ने वर्ब्स किए थे, नाउन्स, सॉरी, हमने टेंसेस किए थे. तो वी हैड द टेंसेस लाइक प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर टेंस. Similarly, when we are changing the sentences, we have some rules for them. So let us start with the rules. सबसे पहला रूल, when you are changing the sentences, you need to see is the reported verb. जो हमारा सबसे पहला आएगा वो रहेगा reported verb. हमारा reported verb किस टेंस में है, whether it is in the present tense or it is in the past tense. So now what is reported verb? ये जो लिखा है ना कोटेशन के लेफ्ट साइड में, this is called as reported verb. तो if say the sentence is now if you see here, यहां लिखा है समीर सेड, राइट, एंड यहां लिखा आई एम गोइंग टू. तो these are two different sentences. I am is present tense, Sameer said is past tense. Right? तो जो हमारा this one is reported verb. तो जो पहला रूल है, the first rule is whatever our reported verb is, in whatever tense it is, the sentence will change in the same tense. Sentence would change according to reported verb. तो यहां पर समीर सेड, तो समीर सेड दैट ही, अब ये एम है तो पास्ट टेंस में हो जाएगा वॉज गोइंग टू देहरादून, यानी कि जो हमारा रिपोर्टेड वर्ब है that will be the tense of the rest of the sentence. तो हमारा पहला रूल होता है that we need to look into the reported verb. Now, in the same way, if the reported verb is in present tense, if the reported verb is in present tense, then how it will be changing? Sameer says I am going to Dehradun. The same sentence is there, but जो हमारा reported verb है, this is in present tense. So then the sentence will be in present tense, but we will be changing the pronouns. Sameer says that he is going to Dehradun. So this is the very first rule that we have to look into the reported verb. What is the tense? If the tense is हमारा reported verb का tense present है, past है, तो the sentence changes into past tense. And if the reported verb is in present tense, the sentence remains in present, but the pronouns are changed. ये जो pronouns होते हैं, ये हमारे change हो जाते हैं. Now with this हमारा रूल नंबर 2 आ जाता है. रूल नंबर 2 says change of pronouns. इसके साथ हमारा आ जाता है change of pronouns. Now what is the pronouns? हमारे क्या change होंगे? We have, अब normal है कि हमारे sentences में there might be a boy or a girl, man or a woman, animal. So when we are talking about I या you, so that will change into he or she according to the question. अगर लड़का है तो he, लड़की है तो she. If it is we, then it would change into they. If it is we, it would change into they. Then same thing, my, his or her. Me, him or her. For girl, the feminine, we are using her for both the pronouns, possessive में. Then our, they, your, us, them. So these are the commonly changed pronouns which we have in our reported speech. That is when we are talking about I, यानी कि मैं, जैसे इसमें था समीर है तो समीर इज अ बॉय तो ही, अगर समीरा होता तो गर्ल हो जाती. सिमिलरली अगर माई है तो दैट वुड चेंज इनटू हिज, गर्ल है तो हर, मी हिम और हर, वी दे, अवर देयर, अस देम. So these are some of the commonly changed pronouns that we would be having in our sentences. With this, we would be going to the next rule, which is change of verb. Change of verbs. In the above sentences आपने देखा था I am लिखा है तो that change into is, या यहाँ पर it change into was. तो this is actually one of the most important concepts in reported speech. अगर हमें ये अच्छे से आता होगा तो हमारे reported speech में hardly there is any mistake. तो the very first is if it is, am और are. अब यहां मैंने जो are लिखा है this is for a singular person. हम सिंगुलर के लिए भी आर यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई हैव टू स्पीक टू यू, तो मैं अगर एक बच्चा है तो मैं क्या बोलूंगी, समीर यू आर इंटेलिजेंट. तो समीर एक ही है लेकिन मैंने बोला यू आर. Whereas are is used as a plural also, मतलब कि the boys are very naughty. तो are is used in the singular form as well as in the plural. So when we are using it in sense of singular, हम एक इंसान के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, वहां it will change into was. And if it is used in the plural context, then it would be changed into were. Simple present verbs will change into past tense. For example, if it is eats, तो ate. If it is eats, it would change into ates. Yeah, even I eat fruit daily. So she ate fruit daily. So anything in the simple present would change into past tense, simple past tense, past मतलब कि second form. But if the sentence is in past tense, मतलब जो हमारा verb है it is in past one, अगर वो हमारा past में है then it would change into past participle. It would change into past participles. So most of the time here the confusion comes. So we have to be very particular. पहला हमें देखना है सेंटेंस कौन से टेंस में लिखा हुआ है, और सेकंड हमें देखना है कि जो हमारा टेंस, जो हमारा ये वाला स्टेटमेंट है ये कौन से टेंस में लिखा है. If it is the verb is in past, then it would change into past participles. Example, I ate fruits. So this changes into she had eaten fruits. So it would be changed into past participle, और past के साथ में हमारा had लगेगा. This is a ground rule for changing the reported speech में past tense. Next is some of the verbs are there like did. Did changes into had. Did changes into had. This is again one ground rule. Then was. Was. She was ill. Had been. It changes into had been. These are to be kept in mind because such sentences are the one where the marks may be deducted. If in the sentence there is did, so it would change into had. And for example, she did not, so she had not. Was hai to had been. She was ill, she had been ill. She was ill, she had been ill. The next is all the modal verbs. All the modal verbs. For example, can, shall, will, may. They all change into their past form, like can changes into could, shall changes into should, will changes into would, may changes into might. Means ये तब चेंज होंगे जब हमारा सेंटेंस जो है इट हैज टू बी चेंज इनटू पास्ट टेंस. If the reported verb is in present tense, the sentence will remain in present tense, only the pronouns accordingly changes. तो जैसे हमारे modal verbs होते हैं that would be changing accordingly. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might. All the verbs like need है तो needed, need है तो needed, has, have, that would change into had. Had है तो had been, but has or have है तो had. Next is some adverbs. Next is some adverbs. There are some adverbs which also changes accordingly. Example, today, tomorrow, yesterday, last year, ago, now, here. Some of the adverbs of time, they also changes accordingly. Example, today changes into that day. Tomorrow changes into the next day. We always need to keep, like there is a question, that might be a question, long ago there lived a king. इसका example I am giving you. Long ago there lived a king. If we have to change this sentence into reported speech, if we have to change this, long before there had, because past tense will change into past perfect tense, there had lived a king. So this is how we change the adverbs. Adverbs of time. Then we have some determiners like this, that, these, we also change the determiners. This is my book, that was her book. These are my pens, those were her pens. So we also change some of the determiners. So this is the next rule. Means, let us first of all see what we have changed. We have learnt that first we need to look into the reported verb. Whatever the verb is, the sentence accordingly changes. And we remove the quotations and the comma marks which is there. जैसे यहाँ पर है. Then the second thing is we need to change the pronouns accordingly, according to the gender. The pronouns, the possessive pronouns both. Then the verbs we change. In the change of verb, we have ism are, which changes into was if the sentence has to change to be in the past tense. Are for the plural verb. All the simple present verbs will change into past, and all the past verbs will change into past participle, means had plus verb ka third form. Had plus third form of verb. Did, had, was, had been, all the modals in their past forms. Then we also change some adverbs of place and time, like today, tomorrow, yesterday, last year, ago, now, then. बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन आते हैं आपके टुडे, टुमारो, नव वाले जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, दे आर वेरी कॉमन इन द एंट्रेंसेस एंड ऑल. Then we also have the change of determiners. So these were some of the rules. Now let us move to one more rule. You might be having some sentences which might be a universal truth. The sentence might be universal truth. मतलब they are always same. तो हमारा reported verb उसमें present हो या past हो, it doesn't matter. Whatever the reported verb is, it doesn't matter. The sentence will remain same. The sentence will remain same. For example, my teacher explained. The earth revolves round the sun. Now, the earth revolves round the sun is a universal truth. ये हमारा universal sentence है. This is true. तो ये ऐसा नहीं होगा that my teacher explained the earth revolved around the sun. No, not at all. Simply these quote marks will be removed and the sentence will remove in the same way. Means, my teacher explained that the earth revolves round the sun. Means there is nothing, बस वो जो हमारे कोट मार्क्स थे वो हटा दिए, but the sentence will remain in the same tense. There will be no change. And अगर ऐसा ही एक sentence है जिसमें हमारा reported verb जो है that is in present tense, then also it will remain the same. Example, Buddha says truth always triumph. Here both are present tense. तो ये बस simple Buddha says that truth always triumphs. So there would be no change in anything. The only thing is the quote marks would be removed. So this is the next rule for verbs or tenses. Means normally in general हमारे जो tenses हैं वो past में change होते हैं अगर हमारा reported verb जो है if it is given in past. If it is given in present then it changes into present tense. But the sentence remains the same लेकिन जो हमारे pronouns हैं वो change होते हैं. Then there are some verbs which have to be changed in the past tense. The pronouns, the determiners, adverbs, and then the universal truth sentences which remain same whether reported verb हमारा past हो या reported verb हमारा जो है वो present tense में हो. So these are some of the first 4 rules of reported speech. Means this is when the sentences are simple. They are not questions, they are not commands, they are not advice, they are not request. ये simple sentences हैं and they are not interrogatives. We have some different rules for interrogations, we have different rules for the sentences like imperative sentences like request, command. इन सब के लिए हमारा थोड़ा सा अलग होता है. So these are first few rules which we have to learn when we are starting with changing of reported speech. Right? So we would be taking up, I'll be taking up the second one, that is questions. Then the next, that is commands, request, advice, suggestions, all in the next one.